Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Vivo Y16, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can scan a document using this device and later transform it into a PDF file. So on this particular smartphone, the default camera app allows you to do that, so launch it first, then swipe to the right, swipe this little shooting mode to the right until you'll stumble upon the More section. Among the additional modes, choose the Documents. OK. Then take whatever document that you wanted to scan. Here it is. Put it into the viewfinder. Wait until it will get recognized by the camera. Make sure that all the edges of this document are visible or in the viewfinder, so it should automatically recognize it. Or if it does not, just tap on this little shutter button over here. In my case, it has been finally recognized. The picture has been taken automatically. From here, you want to, currently it is just a photo, JPEG image. So in order for us to transfer it into the PDF file, tap on the share icon. Then among the options, choose print. In here at the top, part of the page that says select a printer, choose save as PDF option and tap on this blue circle over here. After that, choose where you would like to save it to exactly, so choose a path for it. Tap on a save. And now once we'll open the Files app. As you can see, I'm having hard times finding it. Alrighty, whatever, I'll just look for it manually. So Files by Google. So once we enter the files and open the download section, we'll find the document that we have just scanned right over here. As you can see, it is in a PDF format. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.